Malay kong arana para sa dalagang walang kasing ganda. Amoy roses ang alimuyak kung nanaisin ng tadhanang mapalin lang. Di hahayaan mawala pa.
In a cone of dreams, I stepped to the ball amidst the whispers and grandeur of it all, with hope in my heart and stars in my eyes, search love in moonlit skies. Now I'm here, blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here, it's all so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And this kiss is a met on mine, and a spark that ignites. In that moment that felt right, his hands mine with dances one. Found my love amidst the dance. In his eyes found a new romance. With every step our hearts collide. Now that I see in a room full of strangers, but our eyes met tonight, and we felt everything so right.
You and your gown,
And you and your suit so fine, we
dance to the hours, lost in each other's shine.
as the music played on, we laughed and sighed, and nothing to hide.
As you slipped through the wall, and I felt you by my side. From now on, let's build a love where everything's so different and everything's so small. With a promise in our hearts, we'll face whatever happens or comes on our way. 'Cause you and me and you, our love will endure.
Teka, may kasintahan pala si Hilda? Alam ba to ni Ma'am? Ni Gabriel?
You must not love Hilda, Gabriel!
But Mama, you don't understand. I love Hilda.
But she was having an affair with you!
You don't understand.
I do!
You didn't know that when I tried this all before, my dreams were too hard to defend. And in the end, I won't lose it all again. 'Cause you're the only man that I live for. did this for you, anak, for us and our reputation. When I was there, I didn't know what to do. I felt pity for you, 'cause I heard that your loved one wants a affair. The tales about my lofty dreams, you should listen breathlessly, because it's for your good. So in the end, I will lose it all again, because I don't want to be, and I don't want to do it all again. More than anything, more than anything, more than anything, more than anything, more than anything.
Magandang gabi, Binibining Hilda. Pasensya ka na't hindi namin makaya o may balik sa normal ang iyong kondisyon. At masakit kong sabihin na may ilang araw na lang na mabuhay ka. At nais kong sabihin na gawin mo kung ano ang gusto mo hanggang may oras pa. Pumunta ka sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Pero babalik ka dito sa oras na matay ka.
Ano na to? Ano na gagawin ko? Ano na ito? Nasa si Gabriel.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Hilda. Nandito lang ako sa kanila. Sisiguraduhin ko na hanapin ko si Gabriel para sa iyo.
Kailangan mong iwanan ang aking anak, Binibining Hilda. Ang iyong pag-ibig ay nagdudulot ng kahihiyan sa aming pamilya. Isipin mo ang kanyang kinabukasan, ang kanyang reputasyon, aming reputasyon. Iaalay mo ang iyong pag-ibig para sa kanyang kapakanan. Pasensya na at pakiusap, Hilda.
Gabriel! Hindi mo ba nakikita? Siya naglaban sa likapan!
Nasaan siya?
Halika! Sumunod ka sa akin!
Anong nangyari sa'yo? Anong sakit mo, Hilda?
Ang aking oras ay limitado. Kaya kailangan mo pahalagahan ang mga sandali na kasama tayo.
Masakit sabihin na iwanan si Gabriel dahil sa sinabi ng kanyang ina. Ngunit nais kong hindi sundin. Nung araw na namatay ako, may sinabi kami ni Gabriel sa isa't isa. We promised each other to endure our love, to love each other even after life or until the another life. Dahil mahal ko si Gabriel at mahal na mahal namin ang isa't isa.
Hindi, okay lang. Pasensya na. Gagawin na pala. Hindi, ano na ko ha.